We'll guide you through how to install horror mods on Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. These can go and make the game much more fun, so we'll guide you through how you can get them. In fact, we're going to be getting a mod pack. A mod pack is multiple mods in a pack, which we can go and download and install. We'll guide you through it step by step. To get started, come out of Minecraft like so, and go and open up a web browser of your choice. There's actually an app we can go and use in order to do this. That app is called Modrinth, Modrinth. Type it in and we can come to modrinth.com. Here's going to be loads of different Minecraft mods. At the top, we can press Get Modrinth App, and we can then press Download the Modrinth app like so. Now, it is important to note for this to work, you need to have Minecraft installed, which you probably do and fully own it, etc. After you've downloaded it, go and open up your file explorer and come to your downloads. Now, just before we go and start the install process, a big thank you to Apex Hosting sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, check out the link in the description and in the pinned comment. At the moment, you can get 30% off your first invoice, so it's definitely worth checking out. If we scroll down, we can start to see some of the great features available. For example, one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, meaning you can get help anytime you need it, amongst many other features as well. So if you're looking to go and start playing with your friends, definitely go and check out Apex Hosting. So to go and continue, we need to go and run the installer. We can go and double click it. We can go and press yes and go through the app setup here. I don't really change much. And then it's gone and finished and completed. We'll go and press finish and it should then go and run like so. We can go to the top right and we can go and press the sign in button or log in. You'll need to go and enter in your Microsoft account here where you go and own Minecraft. I've now successfully gone and logged in. Now what we can do is go to the left and press discover content and press search at the top. What you want to do is go and type in dwellers like so. And what we're going to get is called the dwellers. This is a horror mod pack adding multiple dwellers and other mods as well. So you can come to the right and go and press the install button like so, and it's now going to go and start downloading. As you can see, it shouldn't take too long, but it will depend upon your internet connection. When it's finished, it'll go and say installed. So what you can do is go to the left and press library, and here it is. Hover over it and you can go and press the play button. The instance is now loading, wait for it to pop up. If you're interested, you can go and click on the mods and browse through them. And of course, you can go into the options and adjust your settings as you want. And what we can do is go and get into a world and go and start playing. Here we are, so hopefully you go and have a good time with it. Here we go, you can now go and start playing and I hope you go and have a good time with it. It should be really fun. If you're interested in more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. And also, if you're in need of a Minecraft server, make sure you go and check out the sponsor of today's video, Apex Hosting. As I showed you earlier in the video, they're really great service. And if you want to go and see more Minecraft guides like this, feel free to go and check out the channel. There all are already a ton there, and we've got more to come. Another reason to go and subscribe. I look forward to help you again with more guides in the future as well. Have an awesome day. Goodbye.